Two people start with the same $100,000. One invests in stocks, the other buys real estate. 10 years later, one of them made significantly more money than the other, and the real historical data might surprise you. If you ask which one will make you more money, stocks or real estate, the answer is stocks. Stocks will make you more money over time. Historically, it has been proven. We'll discuss that in a moment. But not only that, forget money for a second, we all need peace, right? Stocks provide that. You can sell stocks quickly, within seconds. But if you buy a house, you can't sell it that fast. Typically, it takes 3 to 6 months. For stocks, you can buy at a lower price. You just need around $200 to $300. And you can buy Apple, Amazon, whatever you want. But in real estate, you need a big upfront investment like $100,000 as a down payment. So here, stocks allow you to enter quickly with a lower amount. When it comes to stocks, you don't have to face any tenant problems. But in real estate, tenants call you at 1 p.m. asking you to fix the broken pipe. Sometimes you might be doing important work and you'll still get those calls. When you own stocks, there is zero maintenance. You don't have to fix a leaking toilet or any roof leakage problems. So you can clearly focus your time on other important things. You could start another business or spend time with family. If you own stocks, you don't have to fight for rent. If you get a bad tenant, that's a huge problem, right? And when it comes to stocks, dividends are automatically credited to your account. So these are the core reasons I voted for stocks. That's why I had to pick stocks as the winner. Now, if we look at historical data, stocks have always outperformed real estate. Stocks have always made the most money for investors. For this, I'm comparing two charts here. For real estate, I'm using a Fred chart. And for stocks, Vanguard 500 Index Fund, which is a collection of 500 top companies packed into a box. If we see the last 5 years of data, stocks clearly outperformed real estate. If we look at the last 10 years of data, again, stocks are the clear winner. Let's take two people and put them in the last 10 years, from 2015 to 2025, Sam and Lily. Both people got $100,000. Sam invests in stocks and Lily invests in real estate. In that case, if we did the math, Sam would have made $241,000 as profit, but Lily only made around $34,000 as profit because the S&P 500 rose around 241% in 10 years. But real estate grew only around 34% in those 10 years. If we put them in the 25 years time frame from 2000 to 2025 and did the math, Sam would have made $404,000 as profit from his $100,000 investment, but Lily only made around $145,000 as profit. The S&P 500 Index Fund rose around 404% in 25 years, but housing only rose around 145% in those 25 years. So historical data tells us stocks are number one when it comes to storing our wealth. Major sources also confirm this fact. Real estate growth was slow when we compared to stocks. For this comparison, I only looks at capital gains growth and does not include rental income or dividends. And one important thing you have to keep in mind is that stocks also have some downsides. Sometimes the stock market crashes, incidents like coronavirus, 2008, and the dot-com bubble. During times like those, events happen, but we should not panic sell. Because some people invest money, and once it goes minus 30% or minus 50%, they panic. I get it. If you invested $100,000 and it goes to $50,000, it's not a good feeling, it's a nightmare. But look at the historical chart. The stock market has always recovered, but the people who sell their stocks during those times would lose their money. When it comes to stocks, you should always think in a big time frame, like 7 to 10 years or more. Most of the time, you are not going to lose money in that time frame. Buy it and forget it. You should not check it constantly. My solid tips would be: invest in good companies. Invest in companies that provide great products and services to people. And don't just invest in one stock, invest in multiple companies. That's it. I hope you have a clear understanding of real estate versus stocks. If you want to learn more about the stock market, check my stock market video link in the description. And thanks for watching.